Hey, Red Rod Bob here. Wanted to share with you our second episode of Cruising with a Z car shows. Today we're in beautiful Orlando, Florida at the Old Town Mall Car Show. Remember, if you like this episode, please press the subscribe button and ring the notification bell. And remember to please place your comments in the box below. We will read them and promise to improve on our product. We can also be reached at Kendall at cruisingcarshows.com. But for now, sit back and enjoy the ride.
Hi, my name is Ken Tiggleman. I got a 1957 Chevy pickup, red, got a 350 engine, 700 transmission. It's got a Mustang 2 front end, Camaro rear end, and my wife and I enjoy coming to Old Town. We been married 57 years. I also have a 1978 Corvette pace car. Been coming to Old Town 34 years. Enjoy every minute.
My name's Kevin. I have a 1929 Chevy pickup. I purchased a week and a half ago in Indianapolis, Indiana. My wife found it for me. She loves me, I guess. I haven't really done anything to it. It's set up the way it was when I brought it home.
Okay, the car that you're looking at or will be looking at is a 1921 T-Bucket. It was built in Van Dyne, Wisconsin. Before the guy had it completely finished, he passed away from cancer. I bought it at an auction, finished it. I had to put the hydraulic roof on it because I'm too big to get in it. Other than that, it's got a 350 Chevy, a 1973 block, 2-bolt on it, and The color and the chrome is just awesome. So other than that, it's a very fun car to drive, and I love it. I get a lot of thumbs up.
That's a 68 GTO 400 two-barrel. I've had it 3 years now. It's got 69,000 miles on it. Everything is original. Interior. It's been repainted once. Comes from Escanaba, Michigan. I haul it down here every year and haul it back to Wisconsin now. It's a beautiful car. Handles great. Get a lot of thumbs up when we drive. Uh, haven't done nothing to it other than a little patchwork here or there. It's also got a bench seat with an automatic on the column. Only 239 of them were built. Oh, I just had a ceramic paint job, a two-step paint restoration, and then a ceramic coating put on. It's good for 10 years. It almost glows in the dark. So it's nice, easy to keep clean. So get a lot of thumbs up from the women.
See, it was.
Okay. All right. My name is Angel Soto. Everybody call me Tony. I got a 75 Toyota Corolla. I had it for at least almost 30 years. So I guess you can, yeah. So
In here, he's gonna walk around. Take
yeah,
pictures all
yeah,
around.
yeah. Okay then. So I hook it up. It's got a side drive Weber. It's got a cam. It's got a front clutch, and pretty much racing. You know. He's checking it out to put it in a YouTube, right? A YouTube, yeah. All right, thank you very much. You have a good day.
Hi, I'm Brian Palmer. My wife and I, Debbie and I, we own this 1967 Corvette, the 427 with a 5-speed. We took the 4-speed out because it used to be 3,500 RPM at 75. Now it's 2,200 with the overdrive. We put the 17-inch tires and wheels on it. We put the stainless steel exhaust on the side pipes. The interior is all original. It still has its 427. Its built date was June the 26th of 67, which means it was one of the last ones built for 1967 until the new body style came out in 1968. It's kind of unique. They only made these 5 years, but you can see from the tail lights here, they have their own reverse backup lights and then the 2 tail lights. It's the only year that they made that. And the signature hood on the front that you seen earlier, that's the only year that it was made, was for a 67 Corvette. We put dual stage shocks all around. It's got racing strut rods on the back. It has the smaller steering wheel to make it more comfortable for driving. It's a good little car. We're down here for 6 months in Florida, and it's a very trustworthy car. We drive it every day.
Hi, my name is Joe Warren. I'm from near Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I bought my 1973 Z28 brand new, one owner, back on September 18th, 1973, and have had it ever since.
My name is Daniel. I'm from Jacksonville, Florida. I'm with Limelight Car Club. My 63 Impala. I've had it about 6 months. Bought it from the original owners. It's got 47,000 miles on it. It's got all chrome and gold knockoffs on it. Whole front end will be chromed out next week. We have 3 pumps set up, 8 batteries for it. Just had the top painted in a white with a gold pearl. It's got 47,000 original miles on it. We put some DS 18 mids and highs in it. And we're going to do a bridge under the rear. And we've got all chrome, full suspension and everything for the whole car. So within about another 2 months, it should be done.